Hi, it's Jared from BestRunningWatchReview.com, and today I'm going to take a look at the Garmin Forerunner 110. Now, this is a GPS-enabled watch, but one of the things I really liked about it, apparently from just reading about it, is that it's easy to use. Even on the back of the box, it just says how far and how fast. I mean, it's got some other details, but basically it tracks your distance, time, and pace, which as a runner, that's all I really want to know. And then afterwards, you can track a lot of your summary data on this, or calories burned. Plus, you can always upload it to Garmin, to their website, and view a lot more of the details there. So I haven't even taken this out of the box yet. Once again, this is the Garmin Forerunner 110. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside here. Like I said, I just got this, and one of the things I like about it compared to, well, so far I haven't used it yet, but a lot of the other watches I've used, it's simplicity of use. So I'll get the microphone cable out of the way there. You got the watch. Looks like a obviously a USB data sync cable. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. Huh. Not real sure what that's for, but I'm sure I'll figure that out at some point. Some type of charger, appears to be charger plug-in. And that's the watch. And another thing I really like about this watch is some of the, I know the other Garmin Forerunner series are really large, and they seem retarded to be wearing when you're running. Or, I mean, maybe not when you're running, but obviously you can't wear it to the office. And this one, I have small wrists, so this one might, you know, I could probably wear this out around without looking too silly. So that's one of the things I like about this one, and why I chose this one as opposed to some of the other ones I've used. And this looks like adapter. Obviously, this battery obviously needs to be charged. I'm assuming. Ah, I see what this is. Looks like this has some kind of a clips. That's probably how it charges right there like that. If you can tell, there's some metal contacts right there, and that's pretty cool. Oh, that's how it syncs. Okay, well, let me turn it on, and I might take it out for a spin, and I'll be back and fill you in on the details. Thanks. Hi, well. So I'm back. I got it out of the box. I charged it up. It took about an hour to charge on the initial charge. I turned it on. Again, we're talking about the Garmin Forerunner 110 GPS-enabled running watch. I turned it on. It asked me a few simple questions like my age, my weight, and my language. So I made those selections. It was really intuitive to use. And then it said press OK to locate satellite. So I went outside, hit OK. It found the satellite in just a few quick seconds. And then it said press start. So I hit start, and I was off on my run. Really simple to use to get started. I was off and running in just a few quick seconds after it found the satellite, almost instantaneously. So what I really like too is at each mile marker it lights up, it tells me my current pace. It has the pace at the bottom all the time, but at the mile marker it lights up and tells me the pace. I happen to be running the first time with this at night, so I got a feel for how it works at night. I like where the light button is located at. You just click it once while you're running, and then it's got an indigo type light, and it lights up. And you can view it very easily. I like the display is nice and big, and then the light goes out by itself after a few moments. So it gives you enough time to see the data that you need to see, and then you don't have to turn it back off. So and then once I got back from my run, I plugged it into my computer through the USB cable, uploaded the data to Garmin Connect, and I could see my map, my average pace. I ran 2.37 miles. My pace was around 8:49, so not too bad. And but I really like it. It was very easy to use. Again, this is the Garmin Forerunner 110. It retails for around $199. It is a GPS-enabled watch. It's very light, and I like the fact that it looks like a watch. I really like the fact that it's really easy to use, set up, and like I said, I charged it. I was out running in just a few minutes after turning it on. So anyway, that's it. The Garmin Forerunner 110, and this has been Jared from BestRunningWatchReview.com.